Okay, here we go. Oh, these are my friends, man, with this Northern Southern. These guys don't like to beep their horn for me. These guys are going down and freezing Heisen Avenue somewhere. These are some local guys. I think the track is switched. Oh! Ah, my man! My man! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah, baby! Yeah! Oh yeah, these are not the Northern Southern dudes with the other diesel freight. This is another operation. The guy beat his horn for me. Big load. Caught 3 of these bad boys this morning. Caught 3 of these bad boys this morning. The guy blew the horn for me and he put that little train sound noise for me. Big load. Big load. Big load. Big load. Big load. Look at the axle on there, man. Big load. Big load. Big load. Big load. Big load. Big load. See what you get to see on my channel? I don't mess around. Be up under this bad boy. We're up under this bad boy. Look at that. Big load. Big load. Big load. Big load. There's a switch track right there. Big load. Big load. Big load. Big load. Let you guys see up under this thing here. Big load. Big load. Big load. Slide bearing. Look at that. They got instructions on there. Tires. Trucks, man. Massive. Catching these bad boys all the time now. I got this now. I know where to get trains, what time to come and see my trains, on my layout and everything. Look up under here, bro. You guys want to see up under that? This is what up under a freight train looks like. Look at this. Look. This guy's stopping. Oh, he's going backwards. Guy's going backwards. Wow, look at the coupler on there, man. Got some more type of electrical stuff on there. Lionel doesn't put that on their things, huh? Look at that axle over there in the back, man. Look at that beam that comes across here to hold all of that weight. Train stop. I might well get on this train. Go with the freight guy, man. Those trucks. That's gas over there. Yeah, let you guys read some of that information on there. I want to get back from this rail, from this operation right here. I don't want to stuck nowhere on there. Could you guys read that? Tank qualification, service equipment, valve, inspection, red trade guard, brake shoe. It's flammable stuff. Ownership subject to a security agreement filed with the Surface Transportation Board. For chemical emergency, oh, I see one of those signs before. This guy just stopped right here. Those tires, man. Look at those trucks, man. They'll be starting up in a little while. Massive, massive tires. It's gonna pull off in a little bit. Oh, there we go. There we go. that about? Why is that moving back and forth? What's going on? That thing there was moving back and forth. And this is a gas exchanger. This is. I'm gonna move it back a little bit, and that wouldn't help any much anyway. How much far back I move from this thing? Something goes wrong with that, it's a problem. It's a big problem. But that thing was moving. The guy stopped. He's probably on that bridge that goes over the northeast corridor, because like I said, this forms a cross. This is a very important intersection and crossover part of my layout. Just part of the layout of the United States. I told you this is the main veins here. That's why these freight cars have these freight trains have so many cars on there. This guy's going down to the port. I told you got those big container ships that come over the Bayonne Bridge. The Bayonne Bridge is connected to Staten Island and it's connected to New Jersey. Okay? And you have these big container ships coming over here with massive containers. And, wow, look at that. Access height car. You know, they come over, they bring those container ships and they come up under the Bayonne Bridge and they go over to the Port Newark and Port Elizabeth. And these guys, they got a freight train over there that pick up those containers off the ships and bring them inland. All right? Now, one thing I don't understand.